Not that it really matters that much, but yeah, we've got a flat diamond file, shiny, shiny. And we'll just go gentle on this. Let's have a go. Yeah, that's cleaning that up pretty quickly. Let's get just down this side a little bit. Don't want to overdo it. So in some restoration videos, I've seen these things taken off and nickel plated and so on, which we might get to later on. If we get the thing working and it's going well, we may want to clean these up properly. But for now, we'll just get some crap off the contacts, like so, and we'll do something similar. I mean, this one's okay. Just that one there is not too bad, but we'll just give it a little clean. And then this one here, so I think that should do the trick. Just to do a test. I mean, what I'll do here is put some batteries in and check the voltage between the positive and the negative. So we've got 8 1.5, so we should be at 12 volts if I can do maths this time. I haven't opened it up yet, so don't even know how you would get in through down here. You can see there's screws way down those holes. Are they special screws or are they just, I think they're just standard star screws. So that should be easy enough to get into if we need to get in. So let's have a go at putting some batteries in and seeing if there's anything happens. Check the voltage as well. So we've got this set to off on the front, and get our battery daddy out. Get some batteries, daddy-o. What we use doesn't really matter. Let's just choose the same. Let's see, all over the place here. Let's get the batteries in. Lovely stuff. Now, before I put the back on, I just want to check the voltage we're getting across that. We get the trusty DMM digital multimeter out. Nice little flick unit. And we'll check to see if we're getting that 12 volts across the thing. So if I boom, set that up there, I think, to see if you can see it okay. Does that show up? Lights everywhere, but I think you can see that okay. So what I'm going to do is just check between the positive terminal here and the negative one here, and we're getting 12.89, so that's lovely. So we are getting hopefully a reasonable contact there, and those batteries will be supplying power to our tester, our RCD tester. So I'll put the back on just so that the batteries don't pop out and flap around when I turn it over, because the wee springs that are in there make it feel like it's about to pop those batteries out. So you can see there's a couple of wee holder things here. This will all need cleaned up, obviously, and rid of this gunk and stuff, but let's just test it out now to see will it actually power on at all, and or if we're going to have to go and dive deeper in. So nothing happening yet, but if I no, nada. Nothing at all. Okay, good stuff. So we're going to have to dive a little bit deeper in. And yeah, I mean, I thought that was the case. I picked this up pretty cheap. I'll tell you how much later on. It's one of those things to keep you watching for a little bit to find out how much I paid for this thing. But it wasn't, compared to what they are new or even second hand, it wasn't a whole big pile. So okay, I will start to tear this apart. Let's get something to pop some screws into so we don't lose them. And hopefully these are, yeah, as I thought earlier on, super simple to get out. Well, I've got it loosened, it's not coming out. So that may or may not be a problem. Most likely not. But I'm going to try something here. I've got one of these wee demagnetizing tools. So if we go into the magnetize here, and that should essentially magnetize the screwdriver. So, oh aye, look at that. Like magic. Like magnet. Is it enough? No, not enough to lift those out of there. But that's okay, we'll just persevere on anyway. Will this one come out? Oh, we got one. Still haven't got that one. I have something else here I could try though. Got a wee stack of magnets that I keep away from my hard drives, obviously. I don't store them near where I keep the hard drives because that wouldn't be a good thing. But these are very magnetic. And if I pop those on there, and then, aye, there we go. That is definitely, yeah, let me catch that screw. So we might need it for these other two screws as well. So, I mean, I could have just turned the thing over and knocked it a little bit to get these out in a bit, but yeah, there we go. That's just some fun. There we go. Screws are out. Right, let's see how this opens up. I have no real idea. Oh, here, listen, it's coming apart. It's falling to bits, my hands. Great stuff. And we'll see from that battery thing earlier on, is there a bunch of goop in here? Oh, here, look. This can't be that easy. Can't be that easy. So, you've probably spotted it already. So this is the battery lead here. Look at this. Look at this negative. My goodness. Is that it? Is that all's wrong with this thing? Let's do a little bit of a visual inspection, close up. But first of all, how does this here come off? Let's see if we can get this back off. That'll be easier to work on. So, yeah, there is a little bit of corrosion and so on in around there. What I might do is just completely replace this connector and possibly the pins, depending on what state the pins are in. But yeah, look at that. So easy. Oh yeah. Very nice. Got to remember what side, of course, the negative and what side the positive goes on. But I think we've found our problem. So we'll take this away. This is obviously, there's been a battery leak. This has corroded a little bit. You can see there's corrosion on this one, but this one's not connected. That's just the, the series connection there.